Construct three circles A, B and C touching each other when the distance between their centers is A to B 5 cm, B to C 4.6 cm and A to C 5.6 cm. So first of all, we will construct a triangle taking these as the three sides. Draw a line of any of these measurements. Let's take 5.6. Then fill 4.5. Then take 4.5. Then take 4.6 centimeters of distance and draw an arc like this. Then take 5 centimeters and draw from the other end point. Now join it. So this is 5.6 A to C and C to B is 4.6 and A to B is 5 centimeters. Now we have to bisect this angle C. So draw an arc like this and draw an angle bisector. Similarly on this side. Now we have to draw a perpendicular line passing through this point. For that, take a random distance and draw two arcs intersecting the line AC. Now focus on this line from here to here and bisect it. More than half distance. This is the required point. Now take this distance, taking C as the center, draw a circle. Similarly, taking A as a center, draw a circle of this distance. Now, taking B as a center, take the left distance and draw another circle. So these are circles ABC